If you sleep for about 7 to 8 hours but still wake up tired, this video is for you because constant fatigue is not always about sleep. It's often about digestion, stress hormones, and how your body is using energy. And most women never hear this explanation. So, stay till the end. Fatigue is not laziness. Many women blame themselves for being tired. They think they're not disciplined enough, not fit enough, or sometimes not productive enough. But tiredness is a message, not a personality flaw. Modern Ayurveda fact number 1. If you eat heavy dinners, your next morning will be tiring. Digestion uses a lot of energy. When the dinner is late, hard to digest, or heavy, your body works all night because the blood flow shifts to digestion and your nerve system stays active and deep sleep reduces. You may have slept for about 7 to 8 hours, but your body didn't fully rest. Do you eat dinner after 8 p.m.? Tell me in the comments. Modern Ayurveda fact number 2. Morning cortisol and coffee mistake. In the morning, your body naturally releases cortisol, a hormone that wakes you up. When you add coffee on empty stomach, stress hormones rise even more, causing energy spikes, crashes, anxiety, or midday exhaustion. That 3 p.m. crash is often a hormonal rebound. Fact number 3. This is about digestive fatigue. In Ayurveda, energy depends on digestive strength. When digestion is weak, nutrients are not fully absorbed. Signs are bloating, slow metabolism, brain fog, and low vitality. You can eat healthy but still feel exhausted. Fact number 4. Blood sugar rollercoaster. Sweet breakfast or long gap without food can cause blood sugar spikes. So the results are quick energy, sudden crashes, cravings, or mood drops. Stable energy needs stable meals. Women's energy is more sensitive to stress than men's. The key differences are the women's hormones fluctuate and they drains and reserves chronic stress than men. And moreover, overworking without a rest can create a fatigue loop. Many women are stressed because they never truly relax. So let's try these solutions. Number 1. Eat earlier and lighter at night. Try eating 2 to 3 hours before sleep. Keep it warm and light. Some examples are soup, rice and vegetables, or lentils. Second, delay coffee. Drink warm water first. Have a coffee after breakfast, not before. Solution number 3. This is very simple. Have a warm breakfast. Eat warm oats, eggs, or rice porridge for breakfast. They stabilize energy. And finally, protect your nerve system. Have a 5 minutes silence in the morning. It improves your energy more than scrolling. You can practice a simple yoga pranayama practice. Surya Anuloma Viloma Pranayama would be a best option. When do you feel most tired? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Write one word in the comments. You are not tired because of you are weak. You are tired because your body overworking quietly. These small changes can restore energy slowly and safely. If you are a woman trying to feel energized, balanced, and supported, this channel is for you. I post practical videos every week. Subscribe for more wellness tips.